skirt submission book. So the student has done the analysis of all the skirts, pencil skirts. She used this textbook, and she's submitting. So show it to me, the front. Good, the front, and it has your green lines. Where are the green lines? Good. Make sure it's very visible next time. Yeah. And the back. Yes. Okay. The next skirt is the A-line skirt. She's done all the analysis on the tech part. She followed the step-by-step guide. And here's the pattern. She wants hers to be long. The length is long. Okay, front, yes. All the green lines, the dots, the notch marks. The notch marks are there. Good. Hemline is there. And here's the back. And the two pieces of the back. Correct. Next skirt is the panel skirt. Same thing. She's doing the tech pack analysis. And she followed step by step to draft the patterns. So here's panel 1, and all the seam allowances have been added. Then panel 3. So the front would be 3 panels, 1, 2, 3. Always let where it's written the facing up. Good. So it shows the dot that has been removed and the sewing allowances added. In the back, good. Yes, the back has a sewing allowance, correct. So, yes, so the back is 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Very, very good. Well done. So the next one, so asymmetric skirt. She's done the tech pack and she's submitting her pattern. She followed these instructions. So you can see that part 1, 2, same thing as it is here. This is the skirt. Good. This is the panel. So she made hers long, and I'm happy she was able to transmit the style. The style analysis is very important, making sure that this is by the lower part of the skirt. Very good. Yes, the back. Correct. I'm so excited that we are all able to use the textbook easily and draft the blocks even without supervision. Next skirt is the section skirt, where there are 2 sections. She did the analysis, followed this, and here we have 1, 2, and then the back. Yes. Correct. I'm so happy and very proud of you. Well done, Alaja.